Lovable, and you can make anything with that, and it's very good with front end logic. So I have given a command, a prd from ChatGPT to the Lovable, and my requirements is was that I require a dashboard for my lead generation and calling and the current status of these leads, and the other logics are behind that. So you can see what type of platform it had provided, and it's given everything, demo schedule, everything. And you can see it's a beautiful front end developing tool, and you can also use it for simple website generation, or like making simple website or simple application. It will very helpful. So this is, and it's very easy to use. You can see here, like you can directly publish, connect to the custom domain if you want to. Is and Lovable is using Supabase for your table and other things. So go to dashboard. So this is the main dashboard feature. Okay, after login and sign up, you will land here, and you can give a command like I want to create a website regarding travel blog. Okay, so just a simple command, and what see what is Lovable is creating, and it's amazing, I think. So now it's working, and like taking some time to generate code and file and understand what is our requirement. So guys, just go and build anything if you want to. So this is the result. This sound like wonderful app. Travel website is a great way to share destination and design inspiration, vibrant hero section, everything. It's very good in front end making, like very good. It's giving a dynamic front end. So this Lovable has decided this type of feature in our website travel website, and now you can see it's generating that code. So wait for some time, and you will see a beautiful website which is working fine, and you can directly publish it. You can connect to the GitHub if you want to. This give you also give you a super base for storing your data, everything. And this is the code base you can see, or you can preview. So this is the website, amazing. This is the amazing website make given by Lovable. You can go and just create a website by clicking one more, by one giving one command, one prompt only. So guys, wake up and build with AI, and keep update with Techno Thinkers. Thank you guys.